Hey guys, hope you are doing well. On the last video, I show you how you can get a free domain from a website. So in this video, I will show you how you can connect this subdomain with the Cloudflare. So make sure you have a Cloudflare account. Simply make your account using your Gmail. So in this, again, come to this website URL and click on register. And here you can make sure you click this one, and then make sure you here you will enter your name, and then you will click on check availability. It is created. Now we will go to Cloudflare, copy this one. Now copy these name server values and add them in the registrar. From here we get subdomain. And now here we'll come back to Cloudflare, go down and click I updated my name servers. And now it will take some 5 to 10 minutes and come back after it is validated. So congratulations, here you can see that our domain has been connected to Cloudflare. So we can see this, go to DNS. Here you can back to domains. Here you can see that our domain has been connected. In the next video I will show you how you can use this subdomain in your website. So thank you for watching.